cheap towels, note it, they don't save you money, they make you lose money. So it's important in 2026 or whenever you're watching it that you should go for quality towels. Just imagine Madam Esther just gets a tile worth 1 million naira because she wants to use it for her home space. And that towels probably will not last. Definitely. First month, 2 month, 3, within 1 year, the thing starts cracking. You can see that she went for something that is not worth it. So you must understand where and where to use your time, when and where to use your time. So I advise you not to waste money for quality towels. So you won't regret it. So it's preferable for CDK towels, porcelain towels, CDK towels, best with Goodwill, and other foreign towels are available. Stay blessed.